So in this video, you'll learn how to delete the parental control settings on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've already set up parental controls and now you want to remove it from your Switch, then all you need to do is just navigate to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to scroll and select parental controls. From here, tap on the option change settings and then enter in the current PIN that you're using for parental controls. From here, you should see this menu appearing on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply select the option, delete parental control settings. And then once you've selected it, confirm your choice, wait a few moments, and then select OK. Once you've done that, you'll then be brought to the setup page for parental controls. And when you go back to the home screen, you'll also see the parental controls button that was at the top has now disappeared, which means that you've successfully deleted that setting from your Switch. So now if you ever want to use parental controls again, just go ahead and set it up on your Switch 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.